Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to explain you one question from trigonometry. The question is, prove that sec a plus cos a into sec a minus cos a equals to tan square a plus sin square. The proof is, from LHS we are going to prove RHS, and in the LHS it is given sec a plus cos a into sec a minus cos a. So that will be equals to sec a square a minus cos a square a. Because we know that a plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square. Okay, and then this sec square a is equals to 1 by cos square a minus cos square a by 1. Here in the denominator nothing is given, that means 1 is there. And you know that sec a into cos a equals to 1. Therefore sec a equals to 1 by cos a. Now we find here LCM, and the LCM is cos square a. Now this cos square a divided by this cos square a, 1 we get, 1 into 1 is 1, minus, and this cos square a is divided by 1, then we get cos square a, and this cos square a is multiplied by this numerator cos square a, then we get cos to the power 4a. So 1 minus cos to the power 4a by cos square a, that is equals to 1 can be written as 1 to the whole square, and cos to the power 4a can be written as cos square a to the whole square by cos square. Now it becomes in the form of a square minus b square. And you know that a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. And that's why here a in place of a it is 1, and in place of b it is cos square a. So it becomes 1 plus cos square a into 1 minus cos square a by cos square a. Okay. And then 1 plus cos square a into sin square a, because you know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, and therefore sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta, and here theta is an angle. In place of this theta we can write a, b, c, d, anything, and that's why sin square a equals to 1 minus cos square a. So here 1 plus cos square a into sin square a by cos square a. And now this can be written as, here there are two terms in the numerator. 1 plus cos square is the first term, and sin square a is the second term. Both these terms are divided by cos square a, and now we separate it, and by separating we can write the first term divided by cos square a, that means 1 plus cos square a by cos square a into second term is completely separated, sin square a. And now here you find in the numerator again there are two terms. One is the first term, cos square is the second term divided by cos square. So these both the terms in the numerator are divided by denominator. So we can write it 1 by cos square a plus cos square a by cos square a. All these are kept in the bracket into sin square. Now that is equals to 1 by cos square a, and this both are cancelled. So here 1 is left into sin square. So in the bracket there are two terms. And on the whole here it is considered single term. Yes, but in the bracket if we consider there are two terms. 1 by cos square a first term plus 1 second term. But on this whole right side of this, that means that what we are going to prove, there are, this whole is single term. Now this two terms in the bracket is multiplied by sin square a, and then we get sin square a by cos square a plus sin square a into 1 is sin square a. And you know that sin square theta by cos square theta equals to tan square theta. Theta is an angle, that's why in place of this a, b, c, d, anything you can put, and that's why sin square a by cos square a equals to tan square a here plus sin square a, and that is equals to the right hand side of the question, and that only we had to prove, hence proved. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.